What are TikTok Shop advertising tools? TikTok Shop advertising tools are digital platforms and in-app features that help sellers create, manage, and optimize paid campaigns to promote their products within TikTok's e-commerce ecosystem. These tools are designed to boost visibility, drive engagement, and convert viewers into customers through creative, data-driven advertising. They combine content creation, audience targeting, and performance analytics to help sellers maximize their ad impact. The most essential of these tools include TikTok's Ads Manager, which allows sellers to design and launch campaigns such as in-feed ads, Spark ads, and live shopping ads. Sellers can target audiences based on age, interests, and behavior, ensuring their promotions reach the right users. Tools like Helium 10 complement this by helping sellers analyze performance, track sales conversions, and measure ad profitability to refine their strategies. Successful TikTok Shop sellers use Helium 10's analytics alongside TikTok Ads Manager to identify which campaigns drive the highest ROI. By tracking ad performance, keyword effectiveness, and audience response, they can make data-backed decisions that continuously improve their results. This smart integration ensures both creative and commercial success. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to expert advertising tools that help you plan, monitor, and grow your TikTok Shop ad campaigns with confidence and precision.